Hello guys, today we're gonna replace this cooling fan assembly because my AC condenser is not working anymore. So I have to replace the whole thing, and I bought this one at Amazon. You will see at the description below. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this the bolts, unscrew it, one, two, and three, and take this out too to remove it, and take out the radiator hose and this one too. And first, of course, we're gonna remove some of the coolant. You will see at the bottom right there, over there. Okay, and of course you have the pan. So let's do it. And also you have to remove the switch on it, and here too, both sides of the fan. And let's have a look the new one, the automotive cooling fan assembly that I bought from Amazon. We'll see if it is good. Same thing. uh, we'll see the reviews. I saw the reviews on Amazon, and it works well. So you can see it here. Okay, so here it is. It's pretty the same, and only thing is the reservoir. This one, it's not. If you want the original one, just put it. Okay, but they all both the same motor. So let's replace it. Okay, the tools that we need is the 10 millimeter socket, 10 millimeter. Okay, and ratchet. And we're gonna remove this here, and then also the plier. We need some plier. Okay, to remove the clip and the hose. And now we're gonna start doing it. First is to make it drop all, not all, you drop the coolant first. As you can see it here, I'm doing it right now. See, as you can see, it's dropping. So this, because the radiator here is the coolant, it's full, and we need to remove this because we don't want to drop all the coolant, go down. So after remove some coolant, and then we're gonna start removing this clip right here. All right, as you can see it here, remove it, take out the cover. As you see, this is full. All right, before we gonna take this out. Okay, so now we're gonna take out the clip, because I removed some of the coolant. All right, there. And then remove this. There's no more coolant inside. It's empty. I recommend you to flush your coolant. So get a new one. Put a new one. All right. There's a little bit more, but so put right there, like that. take this out. Okay, there. Okay, and okay, I removed already the screw, both sides. This one here too. Yeah. Like that. Okay, and then after you remove the screw, the 3 screw here, and also the switch first. Let's leave it like that. Make it loose. This one to here. Okay, and also there's a clip there at the bottom. As you can see, the clip there at the bottom. Just lift it right there, and just lift like that. You can just hook it like that. Okay, and also this one you just lift, so easy for you to remove the fan assembly. Yeah, like that. So you can see. You can remove it like that. And now you can lift now. As you can see. So okay. Here it is. This is the old one, the new one that I bought from Amazon. As you can see, the reviews is good and they say it's working properly, and they're almost the same thing. And see the condenser right there, almost the same. So let's see how it works, and then if you want to change the original one, you can put the original one if you want. And also the clip here, as I mentioned, the bottom right here, and screw it and then put it here. Okay, so let's do it. So I already installed the new one. Here it is. Don't forget to put the switch. I want to put it there, the clip also, and then I flush the coolant. So I put a new one, and here switch, put everything in place. So we're gonna try it if it works or not. All right, and also here's the coolant that I use. It's saying peak anti-freeze coolant 50/50 for all vehicles. So this is a good recommendation also, but if you want, you buy the Honda coolant, but you can use also this one. So I might try it. Let's see, we'll check it how it works. I might turn on the AC right now. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share.